everyone. Got a 2023 Porsche Macan key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so with the key fob, we're going to flip it over and we're going to remove this panel right here, and the emergency key is one big piece, but it has this locking switch here. And we're going to swipe it over to the left and we're going to press and hold it down. We're going to hold it unlocked like that. Now you're going to get a flathead screwdriver and you're going to put it into the seam that's at the bottom here. You just put it in here. Try not to damage the remote too bad, but once you get it in here, you can pull all of this out. Okay, you notice that here's the emergency key here. It just comes out like that, and here's your battery. Now the battery just fall right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery. If you need one, check the description box. I have a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. Positive sign facing out towards us. And this guy just sits in here. Okay, it can fall right out. There's nothing locking it in other than the little panel and the key. Okay, so this little locking system here, and all we do is just push it on, locked on, and you're all done.